Today I'm in Bonnie, Scotland, and I've come to a little place called Greymare's Tail. Greymare's Tail. Picked up a hitchhiker, local boffy living, rambling man, walks all over the country, amazing guy. He told me about it, so I've come here and it's pretty stunning. I've taken the less travelled one on the left hand side because I've got my drone, so I'm not going to have to, hopefully not going to have to walk all the way up. I'm not really interested in the reservoir at the top. I want to see the waterfall. It's pretty impressive, I'm told. The path has collapsed. Looks like there was an old iron bridge there. I'm going to get some footage from here. I was going to go for a swim, but the water's really brown, brackish. I'm sure it's fine, but I just don't enjoy swimming in that sort of water. I like crystal clear water. That's just me. Midges, my first experience of midges, and they keep nipping me. Let's get the drone up.